Can you really make money with Acorns? It's a question a lot of people ask, especially as they look for easy ways to start their investing journey. You've heard the buzzwords, micro-investing, spare change, and roundups. It sounds simple, almost too good to be true. You just go about your daily life, and Acorns magically invests for you. But what's the reality? Can those tiny investments actually grow into a substantial amount of money? Here's the thing, Acorns isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool built for long-term, passive investing. Think of it less like an active trading app and more like a savings account that actually works for you. The core of Acorns is its roundups feature. You link a debit or credit card, and every time you make a purchase, Acorns rounds it up to the next dollar and invests the difference. That 25 cents from your morning coffee, the 75 cents from your takeout order, it all adds up. But here's a pro tip, don't stop at just the roundups. To really see your money grow, you need to be consistent. Acorns allows you to set up recurring investments, whether it's $5 a day, $20 a week, or a larger amount each month. By combining your roundups with a solid recurring investment, you're not just relying on spare change, you're building a real habit of putting money into the market. So, where does your money go? Acorns puts your funds into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, based on your risk tolerance. They're not gambling on a single stock, they're spreading your money across different companies and sectors. This is a crucial element of smart investing. It's about time in the market, not timing the market. The power of compounding means that the returns your money earns can then start earning their own returns. It's how those small, consistent contributions can eventually snowball into something significant over many years. Of course, there are fees. Acorns has a simple subscription model, and depending on your plan, it can feel steep if you have a very small account balance. But as your account grows, that fee becomes a smaller and smaller percentage of your total investment. The key is to make sure your investment gains are always outpacing those fees. In the end, Acorns is a fantastic entry point for anyone who's intimidated by investing. It takes the guesswork out of it and helps you build the one habit that matters most, consistency. Can you make money? Absolutely, but only if you see it as a long-term strategy and not a short-term fix. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.